Hello, welcome to Corner Fine Art. Today I have another sketching video for you. This time I will be sketching a loon. So a loon is a bird that I find really beautiful, and I have this little wooden loon. So I decided to pick it up and start sketching. I hope that you enjoy this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So this is the third video that I am doing for my Sunday sketching video series, and I'm really enjoying doing a lot of sketching, more than I've done in a while, especially trying different materials. Right now I'm in the stage where I'm trying a lot of Sharpie, so I'm liking that a lot, and I've done a lot more sketches and videos, so I'm hoping to do a sketchbook tour video for you in the future, just to show you some of those that I haven't made videos for. So here I'm just trying out some basic outline shapes to show this beautiful bird. I've actually learned about this bird from friends. They send me some postcards from Wisconsin, and I think that also started my interest in birds, because I feel like I've noticed them more now than before. So I've seen loons in different places, but mostly Maine. I saw one time an adult loon with two baby loons on its back, and that was really beautiful. I was using my binoculars to do that, to see them up close, because they were, a little far away from me. But I think that was really cool, and I just love the pattern on them with the black and white. So here I'm just starting to apply some color with the Sharpies. So I sketched a very simple outline of the bird, and now I'm just coloring in the different areas. So anyway, so I saw these birds, and then I just kind of got obsessed with them. Started looking for postcards with pictures of them, and I found a wooden loon, which made me so happy. So this is what I'm drawing today. And the whole point of me doing the Sunday sketching is to kind of appreciate the things around me. If you haven't watched the previous two videos, I will link them below as well for you to catch up. And some of the sketches that I've been doing on my sketchbook aren't things around me. They're more some ideas that I have for paintings that I'm going to do for the springtime. But I will show you those as well. But I wanted to do videos just for the series of appreciating things around me. So I'm using some gray and some black Sharpies. The gray marker that I used was a brush tip, And this one is just a black Sharpie that I'm applying to some darker areas. Because I do want to have a little bit of highlights, and that's why I use that light gray. I would love to see some of your sketches. I'm always on Instagram as Corona Fine Art. You're welcome to follow me there and see some of my posts, but also hashtag Corona Fine Art, and for me to be able to see your sketches. And they don't have to be of things around you. Any sketches that you do is for your benefit, because even just for relaxation, it's really therapeutic, and also to work on your art skills. It's really useful as well. So here I'm using some blue, and this is my brush pen marker. So I'm adding some color to the beautiful pattern on this loon's back. So just kind of going over the little spots on it that I want to leave white. And right now I'm just coloring around the blue areas with my dark gray marker. He's using the black Sharpie to go over some feather detailing, tail feathers. So today was a rainy day, and I love rainy days, and I think that it really lends itself for a sketching session. Because the sounds of the rain outside, and it got a little windy as well, so I was able to hear my wind chimes. It really made the experience even better than if it wasn't raining. So just filling up all the space, coloring in the body of the loon with the dark gray Sharpie. marker. So I am almost done with this one. So lining the white part of the body as well. Adding a little bit more color to the eye area. And some of these details as well. And I want to use the darker Sharpie, dark blue, to add some additional lines on top of the dark gray, just to show some of that feather texture. And also the wooden bird I have has some details painted on it that are this color as well. And later on I decided that I wanted to draw the other side of the loon, so I'm going to start a quick time lapse with that sketch. Same process, just the other side of the wooden bird. Thank you for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this short sketching session on Sunday and that you subscribe to my channel. And that you come back next weekend for another Sunday video. And visit my website, coronafineart.com, or find me on Facebook, Instagram as Corona Fine Art.